Hello beauty queens, AyuQuinn here. Today I'm going to tell you about one of my favorite beauty drinks, which is aloe vera lime drink. It's so delicious and full of goodness which helps my skin, face and hair. Let's see how I make it and the benefits I got from aloe vera lime drink. In the skin perspective, aloe vera drink hydrate, nourish, smoothen my skin and soothes irritated skin. It protects my skin from the harmful effects of UV radiation. Also, aloe vera drink helps to repair damaged parts of my skin. In face perspective, aloe vera drink helps to reduce sign of aging, moisturizes and heals the dry parts of the face and fights with acne and also remove dark spots. Aloe vera drink is helpful for our hair as well. It helps to nourish the scalp, reduce dandruff and hydrate the scalp and hair growth. Lime also provides a wide range of benefits to the skin, face and also hair. Click on the subscribe button to see more natural beauty videos from AyuQuinn. Now let's make our aloe vera lime drink. For this we need 1 aloe vera leaf, lime and water. Take the aloe leaf and wash it well. Then cut into small pieces and trim off all the pointy edges. Then take the gel inside and wash the aloe gel with clean water and then put it into the blender cup. Take your time with this and don't put the green color part to the blender cup. After taking all the aloe gel into the blender cup, squeeze the lime and add some water. Blend this for 3 minutes. Now it's ready. Take the juice into a glass, but don't throw away the leftover parts. You can use it for skin moisturizing. You can garnish the aloe drink with some neem leaves before serving, which gives it a nice color and a minty taste. Let's have a sip and check the taste. Wow! The lemony aroma is combined with the slimy texture of aloe vera gives an amazing experience. It's super tasty and it's beneficial for our whole body. You must try this at home. See you beauty queens in the next video. Bye bye.